Well, here I am in the garage, and I'm on the Cherokee, and I need to replace the rear washer pump. I've replaced it before, but I need another one, so this time I bought an AC Delco, made in the USA. So, first thing I gotta do is I gotta pull this shield kind of back, pop the Christmas tree clips out with this. Consequently, also made by AC Delco. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You can see I've popped the Christmas tree clips out, and I've just kind of pushed this out of the way. This is easier because this has got a lift kit on it. You might have to remove the wheel. As you can see, there are the pumps. The top one is the rear wiper pump. Bottom one is the front. Front one is working fine. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the electricity power out. I'm just gonna pop this thing out. You know what? I'm gonna wait and pop it out. I don't know where the fluid is, level wise. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one ready to go in before I pop that one out, just in case. All right, so I got it all ready, hopefully. Oh, not that ready. Oh, that was a lot. So I'm gonna have to do that off camera, but as you saw, just pop that out. Over here. I'll pop the hose off. That'll help. Which is what the problem was. I couldn't. There we go. All right, so it's leaking pretty good. So as you saw, I just kind of pop it out. I'm gonna pop this new one in real fast. So here we go. Well, it turns out there really wasn't that much fluid, so I went ahead and one thing that's a little different is you can see that this pump, electricity is here, and the nozzle is on the other side. This one's the same, and this one appears you could change it, and maybe I did, I don't know. This one I put in, this one didn't last very long. That's what I won't have with the AC Delco. Let's see what I gotta do with that. You know, I guess I can flip it this way and have the electricity run up the backside, so that's not really a big deal. And let's see what this, let's pull this grommet. Okay, pretty much the same. Go ahead and put this grommet in there. No, I'm really kind of in the way. Okay. Because I always hear people complaining about this. It's really not that bad a job. I mean, out of all the things that Jeep owners do, this is not the worst. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in there. All right, let's see what it's got. There we go. All right, so working. And you can see it's all hooked up. I just kind of pulled this forward. I don't think it's going to interfere with anything. This is, just so you know, this is an This is on 98, and this would work on 97 through 2001 Cherokees, and the only tool I used was this tool to remove the Christmas tree clips. So thanks for watching King's Garage. Please give us a like, share, comment. It's been a while since I posted, been pretty busy, but I'm gonna try and be more consistent. Recently I've done a lot of projects, I just haven't had time to stop and film, so hopefully that will be different soon. Thank you for watching.